Hi, Happy Hoarder here. Today I am participating in the Real Prince Club's Thrift Wars of the Dolls. Today's challenge is to remake something that we've thrifted. I bought all this for under $5. And the items that I bought was a box of quilting and sewing stuff that included the stuffing for quilting, and I thought I will use this, but it was a little bit messy smelling because it had been kind of in storage, so I washed it inside like a washing bag and it turned into, well, wet toilet paper. So I'm going to reuse that as a sculpting medium. I'm going to add some glue and some other materials, but that's later. I have too much to do. I have this wonderful bunch of quilting stuff that I'm going to repurpose it in the form of selling it on eBay because I just don't do quilting, but I thought somebody might really enjoy this, so I'm going to box this kind of stuff up in order to resell it. Also in this box was this really cute fabric that has the little, kind of looks like a quilted fabric anyway, and I am hanging on to that, and I'm hanging on to white fabric because I can always use white fabric for a lot of different things like making doll bodies and things like that. So I'm hanging on to this for a while to see if I can find a good reason to repurpose it. I think it'd be really cute for like a Barbie bed or doll bed because I like the quilted design. Also in this lot was some threads and things from candle wicking and a little set like that. But I like that old kind of rusty thing. I can do some fun stuff with that for crafts. So I did end up with some floss and other strings like that I am going to just throw in with my other flosses. But one of the things that I was like back and forth on was what to do with this crazy thing. They had this seashell thing that was so funny, and I decided I really needed to get it and try to fix it and just see what I could do with it. I'm basically just going to glue it back together and see if I can sell it on eBay. I think I'm going to have to make some more cards for it though. But it's just so funny. I just had to get it. It was $1. May as well. I also found a package of hooks in the box. And I tell you, the box was only 50 cents. That whole box of stuff that I bought was only 50 cents. I know it's crazy. And it did come with the Spartanburg pillowcases that I washed and they cleaned up wonderfully. And I took them out to my lake house. It has more of that kind of shabby chic look about it. So that was kind of cool. One thing that I really liked in the box was the carbon paper. I always find a use for carbon paper, and it's really good to find the great old-fashioned kind. And I found some pattern pieces, and I kind of went through the pattern pieces. They weren't that great, but some more quilting stuff I could throw in with the quilting and little things like that. And for $1, I got this beautiful glass or vase, or I really don't know what it is. I decided to just use as a candle holder. The other box I only paid 50 cents for was a box full of Halloween or fall decorations. I guess you would call these fall because there's nothing really creepy, just all cute. And it's adorable. 50 cents for all this stuff. So I'm seeing a lot of ways I can reuse these this fall. Some of them are kind of weathered. The two little wreaths are in great shape, but like these guys, I could just stick them outside and enjoy them another year with my decorations. So those were kind of cute though. Those kind of came out clean, and I can but find a better use for those. And then some other picks and things like that that are so cool. So I was really excited about this lot of things. Like I said, they still have tags on them. They were in really good shape, all for 50 cents for the entire box. And if you're looking for some fun fall projects, I think this was adorable. I love the candy corn made out of the pine cones. And I was thinking about my sweet friend Robin at Robin's Buys and DIYs and how she loves to make things out of pine cones. So there you have it, Robin. Hope you get an idea from that. But this little guy, I got an idea for him. Another thing I bought were 2 of these clocks. Now, one of the clocks, the bottom part wasn't working, but the top part was keeping time. And the other one is working, and it's kind of cool. I really like the design on the china. So I'm not going to really do anything with this one because I think it's pretty cute. And I took the other one apart. And here's all the parts that I was thinking, there may be something crafty I could do, something very steampunk with all the little weird stuff that goes with it. So playing around with the different pieces, I think I can do some more fun crafting with the parts of it. What I really want is this piece. So what I ended up doing was turning the glass dome and the little base that I spray painted a bronze color, turned it into a cloche for my little, well, any scene as far as that goes, but I'm using my little scarecrow and my fall stuff inside it just to create this little you know, something different out of it. But I do definitely love this as a cloche, and I will continue to use it because I think it makes a really good statement piece, especially for my dark academia stuff. Yay! Thanks for watching.